Hey guys, welcome to DelftStack, and this is how to delete conversations on Messenger fast. So, guys, if you ever wondered to delete the conversation as fast as possible, first is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Messenger application into your device. Now, over here to delete a message fast, you could just simply hold the person or the contact or inbox that you want to delete, and you will have the delete icon at the bottom over here, guys. And from here, remember that this will delete the entire conversation, and you cannot undo this. So, guys, if you are sure, you can just simply tap on delete and it will delete the conversation on Messenger fast. But if you don't want to do that, if you want to delete a specific message, you would just simply go to the message or the inbox and you could just simply hold the specific message. For example, I want to delete this message over here. I could just simply hold it and I will have the delete icon over here down below. And now, as you can see, it will let us select multiple and select delete. And you will have an option down below to delete for everyone or only for you. And there you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.